That is the practice question we want to look at. If A is equal to that matrix, which is a 3 by 2 matrix, and B is equal to that 3 by 2 matrix, we have to find A plus B, then part B, A minus B, and lastly part C, 3A. Saka panapa, before we get into the question, may you please consider subscribing, following, liking, commenting and sharing. Tinoiweka sei question iyi. Taudzwa kuti A iri equal to 310 minus 204. Taudzwa zvakare kuti B iri equal to minus 5, 2 minus 1, 2, 3, 0. So tinoiweka sei. Sekudiscussa kwatakaita in our earlier lessons. Tikuda kutanga ne part A iri kuti A plus B. Takataura kuti ma matrix akwanise kuedana kana kusubtractana anofanirwa ari of the same order. So when we look at A and knowing kuti the order of a matrix, we say row by column. That is how we quote the order of a matrix, row by column. Saka tikatarisa A, tunaona kuti we have 3 rows because ma rows anenge ari horizontal. Saka the first row, the second row and the third row. 3 rows. And when it comes to columns, tine 1, 2 columns. Then we go kuna B, we also see kuti we have 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and for columns 1, 2. Those are nazo. Saka because A na B are of the same order, zvoreva kuti we can either add or subtract them. So let us do like that. Tiri pano A Indian and 310 minus 204. This is added to what? B Indian minus 5, 2 minus 1, 230, like that. After taona kuti we can add because both A and B they are of the same order, then what we have to do is apply correspondency. Correspondency, tinongo edda zvinhu zviri kumecha kana kuti zviri at the same position. Saka 3 iyo inenge yakuti chi 3 plus minus 5, like that. Then 1 inenge ya 1 plus 2. Saka 3 na minus 5 zviri kuconnectwa ne addition, 1 na 2, then apo it's 0 plus minus 1, like that. Then toya kunoku it's minus 2 plus 2, 0 plus 3, and 4 plus 0, like that. And this is equal to what? Tikasanganisa plus na minus inova minus. Saka panapa we have 3 minus 5, which is minus 2. 1 plus 2 ndi 3. And plus na minus 1, it's minus 1. Minus 2 plus 2 ndi 0. 0 plus 3 ndi 3. And 4 plus 0 ndi 4. Like that. As we can also see, kuti the answer we get after adding or subtracting matrices should be of the common order. Kureva kuti since A na B are ma 3 by 2 matrices, answer yatawana should also be a 3 by 2 matrices, which we can attest by the answer we've got. So that is how we have to do A. Let us see how we do B. So takuda kuita B. But B yakati kudini? B yakati A minus B. So let us see kuti A minus B yakamira sei. A minus B. We have seen kuti A na B are all, cannot they are both 3 by 2 matrices. Kureva kuti we can subtract them. A Indian a ndi 310 minus 204 like that. Subtracting b ndiani ndi minus 5 2 minus 1 2 3 0 like that. Saka ngati dile nayo tuone. This is going to be equal to, we now apply correspondency. Saka it's 3 minus 5. 3 uyu na minus 5 zwa connectwa na minus. And please nyora makada iso. Kana ma minus achisangana isa ma brackets. Then panapa inenge wachi 1 minus 2. Apo is 0 minus 1 like that. Then tukawaya panapa it's minus 2 minus 2. Apo it's 0 minus 3. Then apo it's 4 minus 0. Taita chaizo chaizo ere. Minus 2 minus 2 correct. 0 minus 3 correct. 4 minus 0 also correct. So this is equal to, panosangana ma minus, pano ita positive, kurout is 3 plus 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 minus 2 ndi minus 1. Minus times minus 1 ndi 1. Minus 2 minus 2 ndi 0. 0 minus 3 ndi minus 3. 4 minus 0, that is 4. Like that. So ndo answer etinowana kana ta subtractor. If we go to C, C yakati kudini. C iri kuda kuti titsvage 3a. Saka kuti 3a and zviri kureva kuti 3 multiplying an a ndiani ndi 310 minus 204. So zvatakataura pa scalar multiplication. Takataura tichiti the scalar inopinda mukati mema brackets and multiplies every element inside the matrix brackets. Kureva kuti this is equal to, todaiso 3 times 3, 3 times 1, 3 times 0. Then panapa it's 3 times minus 2, 3 times 0, and 3 times 4. Like that. Then tadaro, this is equal to what? Tikati 3 times 3 ndi 9, 3 times 1 ndi 3, 3 times 0 ndi 0, 3 times minus 2 ndi minus 6, 3 times 0 ndi 0, 3 times 4, 8, tkoruf. Like that. Zvinenge zvatobuda izvi. Saka pano ndoda kukusiyira itask. Nekuti I have taught in the first lesson kuti kana chiti 3a zvakafanana nekuti a plus a plus a. So ndokuda kuti mundiwanirewo 3a asi muchiedda 310 minus 204 plus 310 minus 204 plus 310 minus 204. This is going to be your task. Answer yamunowana inofanirwa kunge yakafanana ne this answer. Ikasiyana ikafanana, kana mine zvamuda kukomenda, the comments are always ready for you, and also my direct numbers are always ready for you. So before we conclude this lesson, we have certain things we want to emphasize. So we have demonstrated kuti a plus b zvakafanana nekuti b plus a. We've demonstrated that. And also, I also want to give you another task. Task yandoda kukupai panapa ndeyekuti ndikuda kuti mundiwanirewo minus b plus a. Munzondiratidza kuti a minus b yakafanana here na minus b plus a. Kura kuti task yenyu ndeyekucalculate minus b plus a, taking note kuti minus unoyu, it is the scalar minus 1. So minus b plus a answer yenyu inobuda iri ishi. Ndozvandoda kuti mundiitirewo this task. Then you can also take this as a task inoi kuti muone kuti a plus b yakafanana here na b plus a. Kureva kuti munoweka b plus a, muona kuti answer yenyu munoireduce to this here. That is also going to be your task. So we have revised in this question addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices, and scalar multiplication. Let us call this a day. Any questions? Comments or my direct numbers. Thank you.